on these websites is helpful. Information is singular, so use is. By noticing these common mistakes and practicing the correct forms, you'll make your English much clearer and impress your IELTS examiner. Improving your grammar doesn't have to be overwhelming. For example, start by reviewing a short paragraph you wrote and try to spot one grammar mistake. Small steps like this can lead to big progress. Consistency is key. Set aside 10 minutes every day to practice grammar, like completing a short exercise or correcting yesterday's homework. The first step is to identify your common mistakes. For instance, if you often write, "he go to school," note that the correct form is, "he goes to school." You can't fix a problem if you don't know what it is. Try writing a short diary entry and ask yourself, did I use the right tense? Get feedback from a teacher on your writing. For example, submit a short essay and ask your teacher to mark grammar errors. Get feedback from a native speaker on your speaking. Try recording yourself answering a simple question, then ask a friend to listen and point out mistakes. Record yourself speaking about your day. For example, say, "Today I went to the market," and listen for grammar errors. Transcribe your recording. Write down what you said and check for mistakes like missing gss in verbs. You'll be surprised at the mistakes you find when you see them written down. For example, you might notice you always forget articles like a or the. Once you know your weak areas, start targeted practice. For instance, if prepositions are hard, do 5 sentences using in, on, and at. Don't try to learn every grammar rule at once. Focus on 1 or 2 rules like practicing the present perfect. I have finished my homework. If you struggle with the present perfect, spend a week making sentences like, I have eaten breakfast or she has visited London. Reading and listening help you internalize grammar. For example, read a